Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing quickly. Enable the console or mod menu and make sure your game version matches the update. Once done, equip one axe and set a nearby storage crate. This prevents loss when the trick spawns logs. Now stand on flat ground next to a single tree, face it, and open the console. Enter the spawn command or mod action. This will create a single cut log in front of you. You must act immediately to pick it up and store it. Once you have the first log in hand, repeat the spawn action in rapid, controlled bursts. You want intervals of about half a second to 1 second. Too fast can drop items into the world and cause collisions. Each time a log appears, pick it up and immediately place it into the storage crate. This keeps the pile from triggering physics bugs. Make sure to rotate your camera slightly between iterations. That reduces clipping and ensures the spawn point stays valid for continuous generation. To finish, stop spawning and save the game so your crate inventory is preserved. Then close the console to return to normal play. If the spawns stop or logs begin to despawn, reload that save or reopen the console to reset spawn permissions and try again. Make sure enemies are kept away. The crate can be destroyed and you will lose resources. If a physics glitch occurs, reposition slightly and repeat the spawn loop. That usually clears stuck items.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.